Hiccups happen due to sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. When this happens, the vocal cords close quickly, producing the characteristic hic sound. Common triggers for hiccups include eating or drinking too fast. Swallowing air along with food or drinks can irritate the diaphragm. Overeating can also be a trigger. A full stomach can press against the diaphragm. Sudden temperature changes like drinking something very hot or cold can cause hiccups. Carbonated beverages and their bubbles can irritate the diaphragm. Stress or excitement are emotional triggers that can cause hiccups too. Irritation of the diaphragm from spicy foods, smoking, or conditions like acid reflux can also result in hiccups. Hiccups usually go away on their own, but persistent hiccups lasting more than 48 hours might need medical attention as they could indicate an underlying condition.